like shiny beady things and lots of diamond ring. He's a wannabe gangster, but I think he's a diamond G. He's not a bigger gangster than me, wannabe Queen Bee. But he's still a diamond G.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Hakim, and I would like to introduce you to one of my patients. Rena. Hello, how are you? You think? She suffers from a very, very rare disease only found in herself. What's this exercise? What are lions?
Animals.
Excuse me?
Animals.
Animals. Can you try animals?
Animals.
Near enough. Now we'll try a balancing exercise. Math for safety.
I'm really sick, Doctor. Is working in Hong Kong or China? Does he have another thing?
Whatever way you like. Any way you like. Also, I'd like to introduce you to someone else. Can you stand up for me? Say hello to
Who's that?
Margaret.
Oh, it's me! You said it was Margaret.
Oh, this is someone else.
Is that who I heard it?
This is Margaret. Say hello to Margaret.
Nice
See, this disease manifests